May his soul rest in peace. I know we don't have a lot of time. We are behind on the program and I don't want to delay it. Lakini tafadhali wacha niseme tu vitu vitatu. I work as the Principal Secretary for Livestock. And we maundu maingi monoto kwika ta wizara ya OMI na Indo. Kaite desi andu maito. Tema Kitui. Memoka, lakini ma Kenya yonde. Yambe, ito kwati soko nene muno ya maundu maito ma nyama na yeya. Dairy and meat. From around the world, particularly from Europe and from the UAE. President Ruto has signed trade agreements with these countries that have given our products, meat, milk, leather, honey, duty-free, quota-free access. Yani tuena soko nzeo tonyo utevya aimimaito. But we need to meet the quality of the products to send in if we are to put money in the pockets of our people. That is why we have the national mass vaccination exercise. Tusanze mombesitu kana tukwate soko ando maito mateveke. This vaccine is made by Kenyans, Kenyan scientists, by a Kenyan company in Kabete. So far, out of our target, Baito, since the launch on January 30th, we have vaccinated over 5 million goats and cows. Nando Maito nema okwata soko. Kana madhimbe maso mediesiana na tuina mbe. We have a lot of projects for honey. Tunabata na ukiwanzuke. With the European Partnership Agreement that was signed with 27 countries in Europe, unlocking a GDP of $19 trillion, they want our honey. Women groups, youth groups, tafadhali. Let's aggregate. I know the governor is in the county aggregation and industrial park. We set up industries here. We will bring the market to you. Kando maito mateveke. Mende nambe. It is a good program for our people. Ando maito madhi nambe. Gumina maundo ma livestock. Twena restocking program. We had a drought here in Kitui, and I know there's many households who lost their goats, their sheep. My State Department 1 billion shillings and give the families that lost their livestock. Boi na ngombe. Twena program ya 5,000 onaina ngombe kanambui na wasia tondo wa drought goats, female and 1 breeding goat, so 5 goats. Maisha menu. Governor Malombe Vena Yata B2 ranch. In this financial year, we know this is the ranch that educated many of us when we were very strong in livestock. Ne ranch here, 24,000 acres. Nene say we are in talks with you, like, so that we can put a feedlot in that ranch. Ya soko, ya watu hawa. We are working for these people all of. We need 5,000 acres. I have put aside 150 million shillings to build a feedlot for our cows and our goats. Na tuendambesa isusite this year and market tui. I've also put aside another 150 million shillings, Governor Malombe, to build a livestock training institute. Siana Sito, Maunduma, Indo. Because we are pastoralists as people of Kitui. So that's 300 million shillings that can come into the county of Kitui as early as tomorrow. But Governor, tumekwama cooperative going. My ask for you, Governor Malombe, todo komemwe tote diandomaito, let these 300 million shillings come here, and then we can build our county together. Number two, very quickly, ne maundoma healthcare, social health authority. Ekaini mutabia mbaito, kendo keno kekwetwa health, kana afya, ni kendo very personal. Mnajua Waswahili walisema hauwezi cheka na meno ya mtu mwingine. NHIF, Honorable Mwalekani Wanduma, I have to respond to him. NHIF had 9 million people insured. Kana andomaito ma this vitale makwate oiti. Social health insurance, which is called SHA or Taifa Care, now has 18 million people insured. Baito, there is 9 more million Kenyans. Otenyu, yu matuonyako this vitale makaitwa matevete kendo. Kiuke tonya kwezo wa kendo kedoku ata. So, I know this hard mentality, but your health is something very personal. Na mundo au tabia, if somebody tells you, mtu akikuambia usiandikishe kwa SHA, wewe muuliza, yani unataka mimi nikufe. Because that is what it means. Ya mwisho, so that I can invite Honorable Governor. Ni maunduma maendeleo. Keiwo, Malelo, Stima na Sindo Taisu. Mwalekani wandu makwa Musumbe. Ndavya tunene yolowa Malelo wala maelekwe kwa ni national government. Na there's major roads that's being done. Ile ya Kibwezi imekwama Bondoni, we need a lot of money to fix it. Kani wakulia lelo wake na tuivano kwa avonza ila iko umela chandula. It's an important role to unlock our economy. Ve lelo wakuma no mutito zombe umile cholone. It needs to be done. Nekaini mutabio mgwe kalamdi tamwana wenu nena tindie na Musumbe Tuesday Mandera to Garissa Wednesday, Wajia Wednesday na Garissa Thursday na yoto na Isiolo. Nekaine mutabie baito anduma Northeastern mena kunea President Ruto kura. The people of Northeastern did not vote for William Ruto. But because the leaders came together, na nena iko na Musumbe for 4 days, the leaders came together across political divides. The MPs, the governors, the senators, na mekala na Musumbe. And the outcome from that is they got a 700-kilometer road that will open up the all of northern Kenya. They got electricity in Garissa from 2 megawatts to 8 megawatts. Makwata Dam. And Oma Northeastern, Makwata Kuma independence, they have been marginalized. Just as I love you people, they got that because the leaders came together. My suggestion is this. If we can come together as leaders of this region, elected leaders, MPs, na maseneta, tuekalende, tuiwanene chao to kwenda national government, edukome andomaito ka, andomaito makwate maendeleo, we will move ahead as a country. Na nene si, vai mundu hata kwenda, Asante sana technician. So mimi nataka kuambia viongozi wa Ukambani, all MPs across political divide, tukae chini tukubaliane ni wapi tunataka stima, wapi tunataka barabara, wapi tunataka maji, tukae pamoja. Mimi nitafungua mlango, tuende tuone rais kama viongozi wa Ukambani, tupate maendeleo, because we are all leaders of this country na ndwano ni makwenda maendeleo. Nene iwa ando maone na uvo wa 2027. Siasa ni competition, niko sindana. Eka ni mutavyo. Mheshimiwa wenu mwaleka Evano na asia anachaguiwe ni chama cha Ukamba. Kiena MPs 20. Na wewe aya kaine mine ko 2027 ruling party yena 138 MPs, 22 governors, 22 senators. Hapo wenzangu ndio competition iko. So nimesikia bouncer pale amesema wiper mpaka State House. Just know the competition is you need 138 MPs from 25. 130. That is the benchmark, and that is what it takes to take a party to State House. So tujue kuna competition, na hapo ndio competition imefika. May the late DK Mwanga rest in eternal peace. And to the family, Mama Vero, we are praying for you. Gai amwadime mono. Thank you. Now I would take this opportunity to invite my governor of Kitui County,